in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your printer is not working on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I would recommend is that your printer is turned on, that make sure there's ink in the cartridges, as well as that there is paper loaded. If you're using the printer wirelessly, make sure it's connected to your Wi-Fi network on the printer settings itself. And then if you open up your search menu and search for troubleshoot, go ahead and open up troubleshoot settings on your Toshiba device, and then select additional troubleshooters on the right panel. Underneath get up and running, select printer, and then run the troubleshooter for that. And then give us a moment, follow along with the on-screen recommendations that it makes, and then hopefully your issue should be resolved at the end of it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.